Hello and welcome to this week's edition of our Drone Weekly News Roundup. My name is Alan and I'm here with UAV Coach and Drone Pilot Ground School to bring you the latest and greatest news from the commercial drone industry. This week, I'll share how the Chula Vista Police Department in California is using software to provide transparency with local residents around their drone operations. Then we'll head from California across the US to the East Coast to talk about a 50-mile drone testing corridor in New York. And finally, we've got video footage of a raven attacking a wing delivery drone while trying to make a drone delivery. Fun times in drone land this week. Let's jump in. The Chula Vista Police Department recently announced that it will be using a software called AirData UAV to provide public transparency around its drone operations. AirData UAV is a drone flight operations platform that lets drone pilots store and analyze data from their flights. Residents in Chula Vista will now be able to use the platform to view and understand the exact location, flight path, and purpose behind each police drone deployment. The adoption of AirData UAV for community transparency is part of the Chula Vista Police Department's Drone as First Responder program, which automatically deploys drones to the places where emergency calls have been, providing law enforcement with aerial data of unfolding events before they even arrived at the scene. The police department already has a program in place to report data from every drone deployment it makes, and the addition of AirData UAV will further expand public access to the department's drone data. Many of our students and some of our flight instructors use AirData UAV as individual drone pilots, so this is a really interesting application of that software. Next up, the drone industry has been buzzing this year with news about the potential of 5G, which could enhance our ability to live stream from drones, among other use cases. T-Mobile got on the 5G bandwagon not too long ago when it announced the Magenta drone, a 5G-capable drone created in partnership with the Drone Racing League. This week, we're reporting on a new testing site for 5G in New York State. There's this 50-mile drone corridor in New York, and it's the first FAA-designated drone test site with its own 5G network. The corridor was unveiled a few years back when it was launched to test different types of drone operations, including UTM testing, unmanned traffic management, to help drones integrate safely into the national airspace. About 100 square miles within this corridor is going to be devoted to 5G BVLOS, or Beyond Visual Line of Sight testing. So the corridor's been around for a while, but for the first time they'll be testing 5G, and we'll keep our eyes peeled there. Lastly, a wing drone making a coffee delivery in Canberra, the capital of Australia, was recently attacked in midair by a raven. Those pesky Australian ravens, you gotta watch out. In the video, you can see the raven land on the back of the drone and peck at it relentlessly. The drone was still able to drop its package to the ground, but it's unclear whether it did so on purpose or if the delivery was somehow triggered prematurely by the attack. Wing has made more than 50,000 drone deliveries in Australia, accounting for over half of the 100,000 total drone deliveries it recently announced having made. Hopefully, delivery drones and ravens will learn to coexist in this new and wacky, technology-forward world we are all living in, but a fun video to watch nonetheless. All right, folks, that's all we have for this week. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on the latest drone news. Remember to check out the links below to read more information, and to all of you drone pilots out there, blue skies and safe flying. Thanks for watching.